Home Remedies presents a simple body cleanse tea you never heard of before. Detoxify yourself. Eating hot roasted corn by the beach can be a cherished memory. But did you know that its silky cover has way more health benefits than the corn itself? You can use in your evening tea to benefit from the nutrients and antioxidants. It contains key nutrients like potassium, calcium and vitamin B2, C and K among others. Corn silk tea is a natural detoxifier that helps in supporting the elimination property of the kidneys. It has been found in many types of research that corn silk facilitates detoxification of the whole body. Corn silk is the rich source of vitamin K, which is why detoxification becomes easy. It naturally increases the capacity of the kidneys to throw out the waste even when they are not functioning properly. Moreover, a great cleansing can be given to the urinary tract along with the purification of the blood with corn silk. Any harmful impact of the toxins on the blood present inside the body can be pacified with corn silk. Maintenance of blood sugar level. It helps in the better generation of insulin in the human body and results in reduction of sugar level in the blood. There are a number of kidney diseases to which diabetes is held responsible. Therefore, with the betterment of sugar level in the blood, many risks of the kidneys can also be excluded. Now let's see how to make the simple tea. Ingredients: dried or fresh corn silk 2 tablespoons, water 2 cups. Method: to make corn silk tea, add 2 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of dried corn silk in a saucepan. Bring the mixture up to a boil and then reduce heat to a low simmer. Allow the mixture to simmer for about 10 minutes. Once done, turn the heat down and let the tea steep for another 30 minutes. Now, strain the tea using a strainer and serve the infusion warm. Enjoy. Always keep in mind that the consumption of corn silk should be moderate, as an excess of anything could cause problems to the human body. Corn silk can be consumed in the form of a tea, and its consumption thrice a day would be enough. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.